In this video, we compare HS700E drone with certification and 4K camera GPS drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS700E drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS anti-shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. The 4K camera GPS drone comes equipped with a built-in 4K camera that captures high-resolution images and videos, providing a rich and detailed view from various angles. The drone is designed with brushless motors and comes with 2 intelligent batteries, supporting a long flight time of up to 50 minutes and a long range of up to 1 km. This GPS drone features a Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Circle Fly function, enabling users to capture perfect shots automatically and film like a pro. It also boasts a GPS auto return feature, ensuring high-precision flying and the ability to return to the takeoff point at the press of a button or in low battery and signal lost conditions. The drone is equipped with smart functions such as optical flow, altitude hold for precise and stable hovering, and a headless mode, one-key start, and speed adjustment for easy control. The remote controller is rechargeable, eliminating the need for AAA batteries, and the drone is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel, aerial photography, and outdoor activities. Comparing the Holy Stone HS700E drone and the 4K camera GPS drone, both offer impressive features, but they differ in some key aspects. The HS700E drone stands out with its FAA certification, ensuring compliance with regulations. Both drones are equipped with a 4K camera, but the HS700E drone includes EIS anti-shake technology for stable video transmission. Both drones offer GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, with the 4K camera GPS drone also offering a range of up to 1 km. The HS700E drone's additional features include Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, similar to the 4K camera GPS drone's Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Circle Fly function. The HS700E drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, whereas the 4K camera GPS drone includes 2 intelligent batteries for a longer flight time of up to 50 minutes. Finally, while the HS700E drone is user-friendly with features like altitude hold, headless mode, and optical flow, the 4K camera GPS drone includes similar features and a rechargeable remote controller.